it's Friday and it's early and it's been really busy, but I just kind of wanted to show up for the Friday sews and just kind of let you know what's going on with my channel. This week I started a series. It's a scrap fabric series. So all of you sewers probably made a lot of masks in 2020. Maybe you have a lot of scrap fabrics. So I'm putting together a series where the first one was just released on Wednesday. So go ahead and check it out. And what it is showing you how to make this cute scrappy pincushion. So it is beginner friendly. And I actually made one. I'll show you in my tutorial how to make one that you can hang on your pegboard. And so every Wednesday, I'm putting together a scrap project for you to do. So just make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss an episode, because I promise there will be just never before seen footage on my channel. And I'm sorry that I say that. It's just because I watched The Bachelor, and it's just funny because Chris Harrison is always talking about you're gonna see some never before seen footage, and it's like, well, yeah, because you haven't aired it yet. But anyways, I love The Bachelor, so we can talk a little bit about The Bachelor. Actually, leave me a comment if you are a Bachelor fan, because I watched Monday night's episode, and there's just a couple girls on there already that I just can't stand. Okay. So sorry, I just had to sit down. So as far as my channel's been going, it's been going good. Things are getting easier. I'm editing faster. Hopefully I can just keep this up because I do work a full-time job. I also have an Etsy shop where I make, let me see, I make these surgical caps, and I thought that the business would die down after Christmas. It hasn't, which is good. Like, that's what I want. I want the business. I mean, I just am busier and busier. I came across a quote the other day in one of my books, and it was from Martha Stewart, and it said something like, when you find your passion, sleeping is not much of a priority. And I keep thinking, wow, that makes sense, because for like the past year, I've been waking up without an alarm clock, waking up like at 5 a.m. and just excited because I have so much fun things to do. I love to sew, I love to hike. So in the summer, I just get up so early and I just love being in the mountains. And so sleep is just not important to me, although I do get about 7 hours of sleep. Moving on, I have this exciting Barbie set that I had found, and right when I saw it, I'm like, I gotta get it, because it's got a cute little sewing machine, a dress form, and so let's just kind of open it together. It's like a special occasion. I wanted to share this with my other fellow sewers. If you've ever had to open up one of these toys, then you'll completely understand why I'm struggling so much. Okay, we've almost got it. Oh boy, this is so cute. I love this little sewing machine so much. Look at these little scissors. Oh my gosh, there's this little curtain rod and you hang your hangers on it. Cute. And a little pegboard to hang the scissors. And I think this might be like a little pin cushion. And then we have a cute little fashion display and a little plant. And I love this little dress form the most. Look at that tape measure. It's so tiny. Okay, here's a little bit of show and tell. I have this Barbie dress that I made a long time ago. I've actually made several, but this is the only one I can find. Okay, how perfect does this fit? Oh my gosh, I'm just having so much fun here. All I want to do now is call in sick from work and make like 3 more Barbie dresses. I'm sure my boss would understand. Here's some capris that I made for this Barbie. She's not going to fit in the chair though because she doesn't have the bendy knees. So wish list for Barbie, she's going to need at least 2 new dresses to occupy those hangers, and then she's going to need a little mini quilt. Leave a comment if that is something that you would want to see in an upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back next Wednesday night to show you another project you can make with your leftover fabric scraps. Until then, give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and happy sewing! Okay, I know I said goodbye, but I just came up with one more idea. I think I'm going to make a series, and it's going to be starring Barbie, and she's going to make a mini quilt, and she's going to make like new shorts for Ken and little aprons and dresses for her other co-Barbies. Anyways, just a thought. Thank you for listening. See you next week.